Hello students, today I am going to discuss some numericals based on ideal gas equation and real gas equation, and it has come in JEE Main and JEE Advanced exam. So, first let us see what is ideal gas equation and what is real gas equation. All of you know that ideal gas equation, it is equal to PV is equal to nRT, where P V the pressure and volume, N number of moles, R is constant and T is temperature. Now, the ideal real gas equation is P plus N square A by V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. Now, this factor, it is your pressure correction factor and this is your volume correction factor. Pressure correction and your volume correction factor in the real gas. Whereas in the ideal gas, we had assumed that the pressure of the there is no pressure correction terms and there is no volume correction terms. The volume of the molecules are assumed to be negligible, and the intermolecular force of attraction also in the ideal gas, it has been assumed that it is negligible or it is 0. That is why PV is equal to nRT in the ideal gas equation, and the correction factors in the pressure and the volume factor comes in the real gas equation. Now, what is compressibility factor? Z is equal to PV by RT and it is equal to 1 for ideal gas. This is 1 for ideal gas and it is not equal to 1 for real gas. For real gas, it is not equal to 1, and depending on the condition of temperature and pressure, the PV by RT, that is compressibility factor, varies, and how it varies we will see in the different numericals. Let us discuss. Now, the question is, the volume of a gas A is twice than that of a gas B, the compressibility factor of a gas A is thrice than that of the gas B at same temperature. The pressure of gas for equal number of moles are what? Now, first we have to see what are the data is given. First we have to be very careful what is given and what is asked. This is thing, it should be very clear. What are the data given? Let us see. The volume of a gas A, let it be BA. Volume of gas BA is twice, you see, it is given, it is twice than that of gas B, volume B. That means VA is equal to 2VB. Okay. The volume of gas A is twice than that of a gas B. So, VA is equal to 2VB, this is the first data given. Then the compressibility factor of gas A. Now, compressibility factor we have noted it as Z. So, let us say that the compressibility factor of gas A is equal to ZA and the compressibility factor of gas B is equal to ZB. Now, what is the relation given there? The compressibility factor of gas A is thrice, that means this is equal to thrice of ZB, compressibility factor of B. So, these are the relations given, thrice than that of the gas B at the same temperature. Here temperature is same, it is given TA is equal to TB. The pressure of gases for equal number of moles, here another thing is also given, Na is equal to Nb, it is also given equal number of moles of gas. Now, what is asked? The pressure of gases for equal number of moles. That means what is the relation between pressure A and pressure B? There are 4 options, pressure A and pressure B, there are 4 options. Now, let us calculate what will be the correct option. Now, from this let us calculate PA and PB. Now, first we see Z, as you know, it is equal to PB by RT. Okay. Compressibility factor Z is equal to PB by RT. Now, ZA will be how much? ZA is equal to, we can write it as PA BA by RT, RTA, okay, and ZB we can write it as like this, ZB is equal to PB BB by RTB. Okay. Now in these two things you see R for both the things they are same, TA since TA and TB is same, temperature is same. So these factors, this factor and this factor will be same. We need not take into account during our calculation. Now let us see ZA is equal to PA, VA and ZB is equal to this. Now put the values, relation, VA is equal to 2VB. Now instead of ZA now it will be converted to now PA into VA. So we can put the value VA as 2VB, 2VB, okay, divided by RT, okay, divided by RT. This is your ZA. Now ZB will be how much? PBVB by RT as same. Now let us take the relation ZA upon ZB. What will be its value? Now ZA upon ZB will be, now we have to find the relation between, you see what we are going to calculate. We have to see the relation between pressure A and pressure B. So from these two things we will able to calculate the relation between pressure A and pressure B. Now let us see, ZA we have got, ZB we have got. Now ZA by ZB will be how much? It will be equal to PA into 2VB by RT divided by ZB is equal to PB into VB as usual divided by RTB. Okay, it is RTA. Now we can cancel it because TA is equal to TB and R is constant for both the case. So now it will be equal to PA into 2VB divided by PB into VB. Okay. Now VB will be cancelled this, and what you are getting, another thing is given in the question also, ZA is equal to 3ZB. Okay, this is also another data we have to utilize it. ZA by ZA is equal to 3ZB. So what we will get, ZA by ZB is equal to, we can write ZA is equal to 3ZB divided by ZB. Okay, so ZB will be cancelled out. So you will get 3. Now what you are getting, PA into 2 by PB is equal to 3. Now you see PA is equal to, what we will get, what we are getting, 3 is equal to PA into 2 divided by PB. Okay, so we can rearrange this. So here 3 PB is equal to 2 PA. Okay, this is the relation between PA and PB. Now let us check. Or here 2 PA is equal to 3 PB, you can write here, you see